Joe, who is leaving Florida forever.
Why?
The final thing on Joe's Florida bucket list is
Going on one of these boat cars.
We are at Disney Springs and we're meeting up with Joe, who is leaving Florida forever.
Yep. Leaving Florida forever.
And he has one final wish before he goes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hi! Can you wave hi?
Have you already done your introduction, Veronica?
This is the saddest day, Joe's history in Florida.
Why?
I've decided to move back to California.
Oh. So you're leaving paradise for California?
That's correct.
The final thing on Joe's Florida bucket list is what?
Going on one of these boat cars.
And after you've done this, you've done it all?
That'll do it.
got to go
Everything there is to do in Florida, we've done it.
Sorry, Dad.
Always a middleman.
Always the middleman.
Are you waving at you, taking your pictures? Hey, bye-bye now. Moving from Florida? That's pretty lame.
It's a bad idea, but you know, gotta keep the wife happy.
Oh, I get you.
Oh, it was great. It's a beautiful night. Only 100 degrees.
I like the car boats. Our guide was really great. It was really cool.
Can you honk the horn?
We just got a big tour. We went around the circle of the lake. Saw a bunch of water and a
Do you
bunch
feel
of
like
grass.
you're ready to go to California now?
Now I'm not ready to go to California because I want to go on that boat ride every day.
Rainforest, the finest establishment in America. You can see the whole skyline of Disney Springs from the water. Wow, what a view.
Wow, what a view.
There goes the balloon.
Yeah, but at least Mike.
Can we get your thoughts on the boat ride?
Dallas, look at Greg. She's so unamused.
Wow, what a boat ride. That was really something else.
You gotta speak loud.
Wow, what a ride. That was awesome. Wow, it's a dragon. Is that the Loch Ness Monster? Wow, who knew it? It's right here. Ah, don't eat us. Whoa. We're just gonna let Dallas run loose in the Disney store and see what she wants. Let's see.
All right, here we go. Go, Dallas, go. What does she find? They have a giant Disney store, and Dallas is wandering through the store relentlessly. Whoa!
It looks like Dallas wants a stuffed animal of some sort, one that she can carry. She's going towards Minnie Mouse. Ooh, she wants the big Minnie Mouse now.
much does she cost?
$22 when you buy 2.
Oh, wow. Well, I guess that's the end of Dallas's adventure in the Disney store. What a great time.
Isn't she the cutest baby in the world? Did you say no?
So this is it. It's all over.
Wow, it's too sad. You know, if only I'd never known what beauty and entertainment I could have had in Florida, I would have left my life just fine, but it's really just heaven on earth. And
So Joe just joined Touka's friends and now he's leaving.
I'm no longer friends with Touka. We're not friends anymore.
Why?
What a sad tale.
Yep.
Poor Joe.
Yep. Bye forever.
Am I supposed to care that Joe's not my friend anymore? Well, guess what? I don't.